Vijendra is an immature politician. For his scams will come out. Whatever his scams are there, whatever he has done, I think BJP government itself knows about it. There was a big raid, big transfer of money, lot of things, international accounts, money coming from outside, lot of things are there. We know lot of things in various camps. When his father was the chief minister, all the blunders, why the CM was being resigned? Why did they make him resign? So Mr. Vijendra is not clean. He is not eligible to speak anything on this.
Sir, again in the Muda scam as well, he says Congress workers and in fact the Congress leaders were also benefited in this. This is all a political drama.
All Muda scam is done by the BJP. My chief minister's family is no way connected. Chief minister's wife had got some land from his brother. Muda had acquired that property, not acquired, encroached the property. So she was eligible to get the corporation composition. There is a law in the state. If anyone encroached, they should get the equivalent land. But still, they had applied, including CM also. Apart from the former CM also, Mr. Kumaraswamy himself, he has also asked for an alternative place. He has given a letter. We have a document. So many other people, more than thousands of sites has given. So she has got a site allotted by she has not told you give me in this place, you give me in my place. They have given whatever they have done. It is the time of BJP regime. All BJP when Bommai was the chief minister, Yediyurappa was the chief minister, it happened. So my chief minister is still from 2006. Let inquiry be conducted.
Sir, yesterday cabinet has approved the Ramnagara rename to Bangalore South, but BJP leaders are opposing this issue.
No, BJP leader may oppose. The people
BJP, JDS both.
Congress is against Ram.
No. Who said? What
BJP
is
is saying
BJP,
Congress
JDS
is
leader
against
also.
Ram.
Ramnagara is there. I say, who said Ramnagara is there? I am from, Ramnagara will be there only. Ramnagara name is there only. District, we are from Bangalore district. I am from a Bangalore district, I say. I have not come from other place. I have born, brought up, built, done it. It is a place where 5 chief ministers has come. Why did all people come to Bangalore? Why did Mr. Devegowda or Mr. Kumaraswamy come to Bangalore? Living Vadanasipura? There is a lot of strength, political strength here. So, why did we take the Rajiv Gandhi University to that place? It is Bangalore. We don't want that name to be spoiled. So, I was a Jilla Panchayati member 40 years back. I was a Jilla Panchayati member in Bangalore Rural District. I was the president of a youth congress in Bangalore District. I was the president of a NSY in Bangalore District. So, why should I lose the name of Bangalore? How can you lose your father's name? You should be tagged, no? That is why.
Many thanks, sir.